So stopover at the Alabang West Parade. Yeah, okay din na tambahin to. Yeah, before we head home. Ito one of the stopovers, lalo pag umuulan, no? Perfect place to stop over. Malapit na sa bahay eh. Pero pag umulan ng malakas, dito kayo pwede magpatila, di ba? Yeah. So this is the Alabang West Parade. Dito tayo dumaan. And that's a sign. Alabang West Parade. Yeah. Ganda, di ba? So we have here Starbucks, Project Vino. Then if you go up the escalator, you'll find the Iponyari. Yeah. And over here is the German thingy. Ano nga to? German restaurant or pub. Yeah. The Brotzeit, right? Brotzeit German pub. I don't know if I pronounce that properly. Then we have the Mama Lu's Italian kitchen. Yeah. And then we have the brick wood. Okay din dito, mga grilled, of course. Obviously, brick wood. And then dito medyo sarado na, no? There used to be like ano dito eh, like a brisket, yeah, beef grilled or something. Over here is the UCC. Yeah, during the pandemic, when nag-open up yung mga malls, itong UCC lang yung open, the rest were closed eh. Yeah, so okay dito bambay dito. Yeah, so yun. So halos na ikot na natin. Sa likod dito meron din eh mga like this one, the Solitas Bake Shop. Yeah. And then alam ko may Korean pa dito eh, somewhere. Well, baka wala na. Ayun, yun. Urban, what's that? Putahan natin ah. So that's an urban Seoul, yeah. Yeah, Korean restaurant, soul food. Yep, that's about it. So pag nandito kayo sa South Alabang West Parade, napadpad kayo, pwede kayong tumambay dito sa area na to along Danghari. Yeah, tapat siya ng Alabang West, yung village by Mega World. Yeah.